Let's talk about another problem in one-dimensional motion. This one is on relative velocity. Here we have a question that says a jet airplane traveling at the speed of 500 kilometers per hour ejects its products of combustion at the speed of 1500 kilometers per hour relative to the jet plane. So the exhaust gases are coming out at the speed 1500 kilometers per hour with respect to the jet plane. That's a very important line. What is the speed of the latter with respect to an observer on the ground? So if I am viewing the exhaust coming out of the jet plane, what speed do I observe? So once again, first thing that we do is we assume a sign convention that always helps in a question. We assume the direction right to be positive and the direction left to be negative, and we assume our jet plane traveling towards the right. In this case, I've taken it as east. We can also take it as east and west. The same thing happens, right? So jet plane travels towards this direction, which is east, and exhaust comes back towards west, which is the negative direction. Then I can say that question says velocity of jet plane with respect to ground is 500 kilometers per hour. We just saw that in the question. Next, the problem says velocity of exhaust with respect to the jet plane, right? With respect to the jet plane, it was given as 1500 kilometers per hour. But clearly I know that the exhaust is coming in the west direction or the left direction. It has to be negative because my sign convention suggests so. So the velocity of exhaust with respect to jet, right, VEJ is minus 1500 kilometers per hour. Now if I use the equation of relative velocity, I can say velocity of exhaust with respect to jet is simply velocity of exhaust with respect to ground minus velocity of jet with respect to ground. Now velocity of exhaust with respect to ground is what is asked to me. I put all the values with proper sign. Remember over here this negative sign is already in the formula, and I have put the value of velocity of jet as plus 500, and the velocity of exhaust with respect to jet is minus 1500, correct? So velocity of exhaust with respect to ground comes out to be minus 1000 kilometers per hour. The speed of exhaust which is asked in the question comes out to be 1000 kilometers per hour. What is the direction of exhaust? Leftwards or westwards, anything you can say. I hope this problem is very clear to you. Thank you.